Christmas. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I just got home from a cookie cocktail type event. I did just film this makeup look for that. I did already wear this makeup look tonight and it actually lasted really well. Violet was like rubbing her face all over me and kissing my cheeks, and I think it looks pretty good still. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, you can check it out here. But tonight, I'm going to unbox the Ipsy Glam Bag for December, or also known as the Ipsy Original. It is this really cute purple satin bag with these little glittery red bows. It has a cute satin red lining. So let's see what's inside. Play Beauty Spread Joy. From finding the perfect gift to unwrapping something sparkly for yourself, this is the time to brighten spirits, starting with your own. I agree, Ipsy, I agree. It has this little cheat sheet of everything that's inside. So let's get into it. First thing are these Beautyology Lab Nano Active Gold under eye masks. So like 14 karat gold under eye masks. Literally love these, can't get enough. I got my nails back. Ooh, I missed that. Okay, next is the Beauty for Certain Fixation Tubing Brow Gel. I did choose this item. I was just so curious. I've heard about tubing mascara and I was like, tubing brow gel? That sounds interesting. So I'm like very curious what this is about. Oh my God, it's white. I was gonna like experiment with it, but it's white. So I'm confused about that. Fixation. Okay, so I think it's like a gel to hold your eyebrows in place. I don't know, I'll have to try this in another video. I already have like full brows on, so I'm not gonna do that right now. Next is the Coalife NAD Peptide Facial Scrub. A little travel mini. Love travel minis, can't get enough of that, so that's great. Next, the Maracuja Juicy Lip from Tarte in Rose. Ooh. Oh, it's like a little mini. Aw, I thought it was gonna be like a little like doe foot. Look at this, it's so cute. Cute, I love that. I love Tarte. Thank you, Tarte. Thank you, Ipsy. And lastly is the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. So a little mini primer. Cute. Oops, cute. And that is what was in my December Ipsy Glam Bag, also known as the Ipsy Original. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. And thank you so much for watching.